Today we're crafting a velvety, buttery delight that is perfect for the fall. It's rich and it's nutty in flavor, and it makes the most incredible creamy side dish. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and you know the deal, the food is delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making mashed butternut squash. Before we begin, before we get to the recipe, do me a little flavor. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on the notification bell. Let's get into it. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a sheet pan lined with parchment paper and measure and prep all the ingredients. Slice the butternut squash in half, scoop out the seeds, discard them. If you want, what I like to do is I like to save them. I separate the seeds from the little stringy bits, roast them in the oven for a little bit, and then I throw them on top of salads. They're amazing. If you don't want to go through that work, throw them away. No harm, no foul. Place both halves of the butternut squash onto the prepared baking sheet, cut side up, drizzle the olive oil over the butternut squash, and season it with kosher salt and black pepper. Roast the butternut squash for about 45 to 60 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the flesh is tender and a knife pierced through the skin easily slides in. Scoop out the flesh of the butternut squash into the bowl of a food processor. Add the butter and the half and half into the bowl. Blend this all up. If you're making a savory mashed butternut squash, add Parmesan and garlic. Process this until it is smooth and creamy. Top this savory mashed butternut squash with melted butter and parsley. Now, conversely, if you're making a sweet mashed butternut squash, add the cinnamon, brown sugar, and process this until it is smooth and creamy. You can top this sweet mashed butternut squash with maple syrup and nuts. Either way you do this, serve it immediately while it's still warm. Enjoy! This is so simple and such an effective side dish for any dinner party. Babes, if you want the full recipe, please head to that description box below, or you know the deal. Go to cozymeal.com/recipes. If you like the video, please do me a little favor. Hit the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I will see you next time.